Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing the Bullymake box. This is a monthly subscription box for dogs that like to chew. Each box is $39 and includes a mix of treats and toys made by Bullymake and sometimes some other companies, but mostly Bullymake products. Everything is sourced and manufactured in the United States. It's just all good stuff for your dog. They work with people that have dogs with allergies. So when you sign up, you're going to tell them the size of your dog, and you're also going to tell them if your dog has any allergies so that they can be aware of that. And then, what was I going to say? Oh, they have a money-back guarantee. That's the other thing that's really cool. So if your dog does chew through one of their products with like 14 days, they'll swap you out. You know what I'm saying? This is the May box. Look at that. This box, by the way, you may notice I don't have a dog. So what I do is I pass some of these on to Nicole, who has a dog, who is my, my girl on my blog. Or I will donate them. But like as far as like the aesthetic, every month the card is different. The card is like themed for the month. So this is a Cinco de Mayo box. And then they always feature 2 products in here. Everything is just, and they have now a monthly giveaway. So you could win a box if you're a subscriber. It's just everything goes together. I just think that's so neat. I just love it. All right, so here you go. Here's what it looks like. Our first item is these chicken stickins. Chicken stick. Look at the dog on that. Isn't he cute? Oh my goodness, I want a dog. So they actually kind of look like delicious beef jerky. Let's see what it says back here. Chicken, potato flour, vegetable glycerin preserved with mixed tocopherols and rosemary extract. Then we've got Cinco de Mayo soda pup. Oh, I want to see them. I bet they're little sodas, right? Aren't they cute? So these are little grain-free carnitas treats. So yum, right? Like that sounds kind of good to me. Is that weird? Alright, then we've got Bullymake polo rolls. So this is a chicken treat. If you're interested, I'm going to open these up. See, that's why I can't donate them, because once you open them, they take pictures. You know, that like they don't want you like weird open treats. But I'm curious what these look like, right? Don't you wonder? So there's that. Aren't these cute though? Oh, let's open it. Just open it. Oh my gosh, look, they're really just like what was on the package. A roll up. It smells smoky. It does. Alright. We're down to the toys. So first, oh my gosh, look at this chili. This is the nylon chew toy. So this is like, this is hard. This is like a paddle. So this is made in Farmers Branch, Texas. Tough toy is made in the USA using USA source nylon. Encourages positive chewing behaviors. Chewing helps promote clean teeth by controlling plaque and tartar buildup. Long lasting and durable and super cute. Like this is seriously. Wow. And then our second is our rubber toy. So this is a, oh my gosh, cerveza. It's a can of beer. I don't know, like, I love this. I think this is hilarious. And then it has a little thing so you can put treats in to get your dog. Obviously, we take the paper off. This is for, like, more just for fun. It's, like, so cute. So let's look at our card and see what each of these toys in their shop would cost. The beer can's $18, and then the chili chewer is $18 as well. You can reorder these on their Bullymake shop. I think this is so cute. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!